guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm decorating the Christmas tree in my kitchen, which it has a candy theme. So I'm going to show you all my cute little ornaments and decorate my tree. So the Merry Christmas, I think I used as a topper last year. I think, but I can't remember. Actually, I think I had it just like right there. Honestly can't remember. But I also have these cute, they're so cute, little gingerbread men. And they smell like gingerbread. They're so adorable. Like, oh my gosh, how cute are these? But I got them both from Hobby Lobby. I love Hobby Lobby. It's like my favorite. So I'm trying to fit these on top of the tree. Oh wait. So that's what I've used as a topper. I guess they're okay. There we go. Oh, now our head's kind of like... Yeah. I think that's cute, y'all. I need to turn her. Aw, look how cute they are. They're so cute. So I have a bunch of these ornaments. Like I said, I got all of these from Hobby Lobby. I got them when they was half off, so I would definitely advise going to Hobby Lobby when they have their Christmas stuff half off, because I think that I've only paid like $50 for all these ornaments, and I have a whole box of them right here. And the tree I got on sale at Michael's for like $30 or something. It was not expensive at all. I mean, come on, look at the gumball machine. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Cookie? I have a bunch of these and a bunch of these, so I'm going to put those to the side for now because I really want to get my good ornaments out first. Cotton candy. So I also have these massive ice creams. Normally I just set them in the tree because they're really so hard to like hang. I used to be like really anal and I wanted all my ornaments to hang, but honestly I kind of like just sitting them in the tree now. So I've got the big purple ice cream and I also have a big pink ice cream cone. Originally, I first thought about doing like a gingerbread themed tree, but then I decided against it because I really love the candy idea. I really love the candy. Gumdrops. This one's glass, so I'm gonna have to be careful with it. I mean, look at the s'more angel. So cute. So, I might be a little biased, but this is my favorite tree in my house anyway. So I have little ice cream and the little gingerbread house. I guess I could put some on the bottom. So just stuff these. Look at the little strawberries. They're actually foam. I always have to remember to put stuff on the back of the tree because I'm really bad about trying to get everything on the front. Pretzels. I am really looking for a gingerbread man tree skirt. So if you guys have any idea where I can get a gingerbread tree skirt, please let me know in the comments below because I've been looking for a gingerbread tree skirt and I've not been able to find one. I actually found one on Amazon maybe last year. But it was like super expensive and like totally not worth it. And it wasn't Prime, so of course when it's not Prime you don't get the free shipping or whatever. So anyway, if you know where I can get the tree skirt, please let me know in the comments below. I actually was looking at Ross today for the tree skirt because I've yet to find one that I like. I guess I'm just being a little picky, but you know, I want what I want. Hi, Bando. I just put the non-breakable ornaments on the bottom because the dogs and the cats are really bad about getting ornaments. I have these little gingerbread men too. I have a bunch of gingerbread men. Look, they lost their leg. Reminds me of Shrek. You remember that movie? I can't remember which trick it is with the little gingerbread man. That has one leg. Now these little gingerbread. What's wrong, Bandit? Are you having trouble, son? Are you having trouble, son? Guess I'll put these on the back. Gotta put something in the back. Like I said, it's just so hard having all these cute little ornaments. Look at the little cupcake thing. The cookie. So I like these little things too. Got these at Walmart. I don't know how much they were, like $1 maybe. So I have these, and these left. These are very large too. Definitely have to fill in the back because I'm so bad about putting ornaments on the back of the tree. And that's why you get shatterproof ornaments. Alrighty, here's my tree. Look at that. Another reason why I love this tree is because it's a pencil tree and it's so little and it can fit in the corner. And I really, really, really would love to have another pencil tree. But anyway, that's it for my candy tree. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating with me, and stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas video. I don't know what it will be yet, but coming to you soon.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time.